Hi everyone, it's Irena, and today we're going to do a bit of grinding in our Magimix blender, and we're using the blender kit, the glass bowl in the blender kit. Now this glass bowl is made from borosilicate, and that's a very high quality glass that functions very well under heat. So it's a really very strong product. So it's a good heavy bowl too. So putting it together, we've got the bowl here. I'm going to put the nutmeg in, and nutmeg's pretty tough. So I'm just going to pop one in there, put the actual blade in, screw that on. I'll take the blender off, and we pop it on like so. We need to hold it down, and you can see when the light is on there that it's ready to go. So we're going to turn it on, and I'm going to turn it up. You can see the high, and you can actually see how it works beautifully. Look at that. And it's ready, and you know it's ready when you can't hear that nut flying around. And so it's done a magnificent job in seconds. So here it is, and you'll see. Now, oh, it smells divine. Oh, there's nothing like freshly ground spices and herbs and all of those things. Nuts, oh, it's just wonderful. Anyway, so you can actually keep it in the jar itself, because it has a little perforated top there that you can actually use for sprinkling, or you can pop it in another jar, or just use it straight away. I use nutmeg a lot in pumpkin soups, in lasagnas, in lots of things, in baking. So it's something that I use a lot, but I'll just pop it in here like that so that you can actually see how well it actually grounded. So you can see it there. Look, it's just incredible. And it's great. You can use it for coffee, your coffee beans, lots and lots of things, but it smells amazing. And there's absolutely no comparison to have freshly ground spices to the bought ones that are already ground in the little bottles. They've been ground sometimes months and years before you actually use them, where this is just, the flavours and the smells are divine. Okay, I encourage you to use your blender and your blender kit, because the grinder does such a great job and does it so quickly. Okay. See ya.